Fortify your house. Let's talk security doors.
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
At Desert King Windows, we don't do just windows. We also do all kinds of doors. And right now we're going to talk about security doors. Titan security doors here, these are actually a little different than the security doors that you may see on the rack at the big box store. These are not made out of steel. They're not going to rust. They're guaranteed not to. These are actually made out of an aluminum alloy. This material right here is actually 6 times stronger than steel, but only 1/5 of the weight. That is incredibly nice. This comes in, there's a couple of dozen different styles here that this is going to come in. Okay, so you can pick your design however you want it to look. You got this one's really popular. It's got the sun. So they have all these different styles. I want to say they have 12 different colors right here. These are satin finish. So these, you select your color, you select your style here, and then you select your backer. So a couple of different options for your backer. Right here is made out of the same aluminum alloy as the door itself. This one right here is my favorite, and this is actually what's on my house, is the Mesh Tech. Okay, the Mesh Tech is woven stainless steel. I want to point out a couple of different things that make this security door a little different than the ones you see at the big box store. First of all, one-way screws. Once these are installed, they don't come out. All right, so that's a really nice feature there, so nobody can actually get into the door. It comes with a little paint touch-up thing, so these will actually be painted the same color as the door, so it'll all look nice and finished, and you won't even notice those when it's all finished. Another really nice thing, and this is a big difference, most security doors, they don't have a threshold on the bottom here. So they don't have a sweep. So basically, you're usually left with a big old gap in the bottom. So the door stops, and then you see nothing but daylight through there. And well, if you're having your front door wide open and you want the breeze, well, that's a big section that can allow it bugs and all kinds of things. What Titan has, so a threshold plate actually sits right on top of this. Obviously, we ran out of space there, so we couldn't do the threshold plate. But a threshold plate goes right on top of this, and this as a sweep, a full sweep right here. That is completely adjustable. This can be adjusted. So wherever the threshold happens to be, just based on what your house gives us, when we install it, we can adjust this threshold properly. Or sorry, the sweep to the threshold properly, I should say. It also has some weather stripping itself around there. So basically, if the bug can't fit directly through the screen, it's not going to get into this door. And so that's a really nice feature. You don't have to worry about flies getting in, bees, or anything like that. It's going to be nice and sealed up and allowing just nice breeze. Probably my favorite part about these doors is the warranty it comes with. They have a warranty that if somebody breaks into this door and steals something from your house, they're going to pay your homeowner's deductible up to $1,000. I mean, that's one heck of a guarantee, I think. A couple of other things about this door that I didn't really realize until I had it installed in my house, because pretty much every house I live in, I make sure one of these is on the door because it's just such a really nice upgrade. First of all, curb appeal. It's going to look great from the outside, but what you don't realize is how great it looks from the inside. On a nice day, we have a lot of nice days, we open up the front door and you still see the beautiful style of it. And when the light's hitting it, it just looks like another decoration of the room. It is a really nice upgrade to the house, and I think it's a no-brainer to throw in on any window package. You walk through it every single day. It's your front door. It fortifies your house. It does so many things. So I cannot recommend a Titan security door enough. So there are many different styles that you can choose from, and about a dozen different colors, but it's always best to come and see them. Come to the showroom, check them out. We got a few on the wall here. These are actually even getting replaced with some other ones. We like to keep them fresh, keep them new. This way you get to actually see how they operate. I mean, this thing is so light that it's kind of hard to believe just by watching it on a video. So feel free to stop by and check them out. That's what we have them for. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming. There's tons of information out there, and AI might miss the mark. But our guide, backed by 25 years of experience, makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bits. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure Desert King Windows is on your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.